Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and today I'm coming at you with another foundation review, first impressions, demo, everything you need to know about the new Fashion Fair. What is it? SkinFlex Stick Foundation. I am in the shade Brown Sugar Babe. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting into my thoughts and an actual demo, first impressions review of this Fashion Fair new foundation stick. You guys, Fashion Fair is back, okay? It's new, it's modern, it's updated, it's chic, listen, it's here to take your coins, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna be getting into this today for today's video. But before we hop into today's video, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this Fashion Fair SkinFlex Stick Foundation first impressions and review. Okay, so we're getting into today's video. I am going to be testing this Fashion Fair FF SkinFlex Stick Foundation. You know, I'm all about trying out these new foundations. This is a stick foundation, and I tend to kind of like stick foundations. They end up being really hydrating on my skin. They're not gonna be all the way matte or anything. So I am excited to try. And this is the Fashion Fair packaging. I like the minimalist type of package. The white or off-white and then the gold is just gorgeous. And then the gold writing for Fashion Fair. So yeah, Fashion Fair is back. I have a lipstick that I'm gonna be wearing from them today. Y'all know I love a good nude, so I had to get that nude color. Actually, I think they had like 3 nude colors, but I'm always doing like pinky nude, so I opted out of the pinky nude, and so I picked up 2 of the other nude shades. And they have reds, they have vampy kind of colors, but that's not my vibe. So today we're gonna get into a lot of new products. I have the Makeup Forever powder. I'm gonna be testing that out today. And we got some other newness today. But yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just use this Morphe brush to apply the foundation. And for my concealer today, I'm gonna be testing out the One Size concealer. I think it's called Turn Up the Base, and I have the shade Dark 3 for that. All right, so let me just swatch this. I'm gonna take, let's see how much product it is that you get. And on the box, it says that prep skin with the FF Fabulous Priming Serum. Apply the FF SkinFlex stick with a foundation brush, a sponge, or dab directly to the face. Build coverage as desired. And then it says to finish with the FF Set It Loose powder for a flawless look. It says the SkinFlex stick can also be used as a concealer to diminish darkness and discoloration. So that's pretty neat. I didn't get the serum, the priming serum, but I am gonna go back to get that. And I was gonna get like a darker color in the foundation stick to kind of use it to contour, but honestly, when I went, I didn't have a lot of time and I just wanted to grab the foundation, so that's what I focused on. I kind of got a little bit overwhelmed, so I'm twisting it up just to kind of see how much product is in here, and I think that's the end right there. So typical, I would say, stick product, and I'm twirling it back down, twirling. And I'm just going to do a swipe. Not bad. So I I'm just gonna work in sections on one side of my face, and then I will do the other side of my face. So just directly just swiping on my face. And usually when I do stick foundations, I used to spray like a spray on my face, and then I would kind of use that to kind of move the foundation, because sticks can be a little bit challenging. And I'm just going in with the Morphe brush and just kind of swiping that along just to kind of blend out the foundation. And right off the bat, I feel like, wow, my skin looks really good. I'd probably say we're at like medium. And I have to say the color looks really good. And another reason why I chose to do the stick first was because when I went back to look at, I have the same shade in both products, in the cream formula and this, and I felt like the cream was way lighter, and I was like, oh my God, I don't think that's gonna work. So I felt like the stick was a lot darker, and I am correct in my assumption, because look at the color. It's like a really good match. Wow. I am liking this. Okay. Well, let's not stop there. Let's go on ahead and get the rest of the face. Like, look at this. Like, look at it from the front. Like, it looks good. So yeah, let us get on with it. I am mad excited about this, you guys. Have you guys used, honestly, the only thing that I had used from Fashion Fair back in the days was lipsticks. I never really got into the brand. I used to see it in Dillard's. That's where I saw Fashion Fair. But other than that, I never used their powders. I never used any of the products. I just wasn't like drawn to it. And at the, like, so I just was like, it was just like meh. And I think Fashion Fair was just synonymous with like older people. Nothing wrong with old people, older ladies, mature, let me use the word mature women. So I just felt like that was what the brand was geared towards. Like your mom and your aunts, and they love them some Fashion Fair. But this is the first time that I'm trying any of their makeup products. I had lipsticks now because they used to have some pretty nude lips. I think I still have one somewhere around here, but I don't know where it is. I don't even remember the name of it, but it was like this pretty nude color that was like popping back in the day. Okay. I feel like this side that I just did has more coverage than the other side. And that's probably because I went ham with the foundation on this side. Like legit. But yeah, I'm liking the coverage for sure. And I'm probably just gonna go, yeah. So there we have it. The foundation is applied. I'm just gonna go back in with some more, especially like under my eye, because we all can stand a little extra coverage under the eye. So yeah, I like this. I probably will say that I should have tried like using my sponge on this side, but I am not a sponge kind of person. I like good old fashioned brush to blend out my foundation. So, but it's blending really nicely. It moves. It's not like, hard to move or anything like that. So I definitely like that it's easy to blend. Let me get on my 5 head. Yes. I'm Let me see, mamacita. Yes, very nice. Okay. Boom. So I have everything blended out nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the One Size concealer, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit so that you guys can kind of see what this color looks like. And the wand is really different. Like, look at that wand. See that? It feels so nice as I was like putting that on under my eye. I don't really know how to describe this color. It looks, I don't know. Not too bright, but I just kind of guessed this color, so. I just really like this wand. Oh my God. It just feels like it's massaging my under eyes. That's literally how it feels. Like, no lie. And I'm probably putting on way too much. And I feel like the foundation looks dewy. Like, I am getting dewy vibes from the foundation stick. Boom. All right, so let that marinate. I'm gonna go ahead and do some contouring, and then we'll be back. All right, guys, I am back. I finally finished off my face. I have my bronzer, my blush, my eyes done, and everything I use is going to be listed in the description box down below. And I have to say that I really like the foundation. I'm trying to look to see if I can find like any falls that I can find with the foundation, and I really can't. Like, it looks really nice. I think semi-matte, honestly, but it's very hydrating. I don't feel dry. I did go in and set my face with the LYS powder, the translucent powder. I set my face with that, and it kind of locked down the foundation or whatever. So yeah, it looks like, no, I'm not gonna say it looks like skin, because I do look like I have on some kind of foundation, but I want to say it's like a mix between semi-matte and dewy kind of foundation, because I do seem to look glowy. That's what I would say about the foundation. Yeah. So next time I'm gonna try the cream to powder one, just to see how that performs, what kind of coverage I get from that one. But as for now, this is what the foundation looks like. I loved it, easy to blend, pretty good coverage. I do feel like you could probably use it just to spot conceal, you know, if you didn't want to apply all over the face. I feel like it is hydrating. I don't feel dry, and I like the coverage, honestly, because you can't really see my skin. Like, you know, it's not overly done, but it's done, you know? So I do like that a little bit. But yeah, not too shabby, if I do say so myself. All right, guys, I will kind of test this out some more, and I'll have updates for you on what my thoughts are. Did I like the color? You know, how did the color fare? But honestly, if I look, you know, from my face to my chest area, the color looks pretty spot on. So not too shabby. Fashion Fair made a comeback, y'all, and I do have on the lippy today. This is Nuditude from Fashion Fair, so I am definitely loving the formula of the lipstick. It's very creamy, like buttery creamy. That's how I would describe the lippy. Yes. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my review on the Fashion Fair Flex Stick Foundation. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Let me know if you tried it. Are you gonna pick up anything from Fashion Fair? Like I said, they have a whole line. You could do a full face, except for eyes, with the brand at Sephora. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. If you are subscribed, then please make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever new videos go up. All right, guys, thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.